Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon and good night. So, let me present my mini research under the title Survey Strategy Taxonomy of Composition, writing by second year of student college, study of error analysis. The first chapter will be consist with background of the problem, focus of the problem, formulation of the problem, and the objective of the research. Background of the problem. Actually, writing is one of the productive skills that is expressed in written mode. People enjoy reading the writing product every day in form of article in newspaper, magazine, novels, and others. It is shown that the product of writing is an important thing in human life. And nowadays, writing becomes other form of communication. Therefore, it is also important to learn writing so that the students master the written communication as well as spoken, difficult and complicated language skill to be learned almost by the students in every level of education. The second, error in learning language are unavoidable. As a result, when teachers teach in the classroom, they will notice a variety of phenomena, like many students who have excellent English writing skills, many students who have average writing skill, and possibly many students who have poor English writing skill. And the next is error analysis is a is a procedure for identifying, classifying, and interpreting or describing errors produced by someone speaking or writing in English sentence. So, based on the explanation above, I, as the writer, is interested in analyzing students' composition writing according to survey strategy taxonomy by Carl James and Dulai's theory. The writer would like to carry out the research under the title Survey Strategy Taxonomy of Composition, writing by second year of Students College, study of error analysis. The next is focus and a sub-focus of the problem. Based on the background above, this study is limited to error analysis of survey strategy taxonomy related to the theory of Carl James and Dulai. And the focus of this research are students' composition writing made by second year of Students College. So the formulation of the problem. The formulation in this study, the first is what are the types of errors made by second year of Students College? And the second is what are the cause why the students make errors in their writing composition? So the last from this chapter is the objective of the research. The objective of this study, the first is to identify the type of errors made by second year of student college. And the second is to find out the causes why the students make error in their writing composition. The next is chapter 2, which is consists with definition of error analysis, and definition of survey strategy taxonomy by Carl James and Dulai theory. Definition of error. Error are systematic which are characteristic of the learner's linguistic system at a given stage of learning. The key point is that the learner is using a definite system of language and every point in his development, although it is not that of the second language. Error also known as structural anomalies of students who have yet to learn the second language. So the next is the definition of error analysis. Error analysis could be used to analyze the grammatical errors that are made by the learners, and these errors could be observed, analyzed, and classified to reveal something of the system operating within the learner. And also, the grammatical error could have the teacher in the teaching and learning process because the teacher could observe the reason why the learners do the errors, identify the difficult areas faced by the learners, and search of this error. So it can be used in making enhancement programs to improve the grammatical competence of the student in English based on the findings of the study. So the last is the definition of survey strategy taxonomy. Analyzing errors by way of survey strategy might offer a glimpse of the student's cognitive process that underlies their construction of a target language system. Dulay, Bird, and Gresham classify 4 types of grammatical error commonly used to describe the descriptive classification of error. The first is linguistic category taxonomy, survey strategy taxonomy, comparative taxonomy, and communicative taxonomy. Nevertheless, this research is merely going to focus on the survey strategy or structural taxonomy. And here, I will analyzing the student composition writing using Dulay theory and Karjem's theory, which is from their theory, it same but different in Karjem's theory, because in Karjem's theory there is one more survey strategy taxonomy, or we can call it blend. So actually Dulay's theory and Karjem's theory is same, but in Karjem's theory one more taxonomy. In James proposed that the learner's erroneous version is different from the presumed target version. So this highlights the way survey structure are altered. The student may omit necessary items or add unnecessary one. They may misform the item or disorder them. Errors can be classified into 4 types. The first, omission, addition, misformation, misordering, then blend error as the category of survey strategy taxonomy. So Dulay's theory claimed that the survey structure taxonomy highlight the way survey structure are altered. Learners may omit necessary item or add unnecessary ones. They also may misform item or misorder them. The first is omission, addition, misformation, and misordering. Then Dulay's theory is only 4 items. The next chapter is which are consist with research design, data search, research instrument, data collecting, and data analysis. The first is about research design. This research use qualitative method. In this qualitative research, writer use descriptive research. Descriptive qualitative is a method that discusses several possibilities to solve problems by collecting, clarifying, analyzing, and interpreting. So by this qualitative research, the researcher can analyze the composition writing made by second year of students college using the error analysis, utilizing Karjem's and Dulay survey strategy taxonomy theory. So the next is data search. In this research, the data source are composition writing from second year of random students college, which they have made for the assignment before. Data reference also from written reference by some other figure associated with the object I've discussed in this research, and from books, journals, articles, and several studies related to the research topic. And the next is research instrument. In this research, the researcher used document and researcher myself as the key instruments, since this research analyzed the composition writing made by second year of students college. The researcher read and understand the composition writing. In addition, the researcher used Carl James and Dulai's theory related to surface strategy taxonomy as the instrument in this research. The next is data collecting. In collecting data, researchers used the documentation technique. The data for this research were collected from the documents and photos which were acquired from an assignment given by the teacher during the English subject. From the data collected, the researcher obtained the fact that students commit errors in their composition writing. The last one from research methodology is data analysis. After collecting data, the researcher analyzed the data clearly. The researcher did some steps to analyze the data. The first, collection data. The second, identification of errors. The third, description of error. The fourth is explanation of error. And the last is evaluation of error. The next is about chapter 4, discussion and result, which are consist with type of error based on surface strategy taxonomy, frequency of errors, and factor haven in students' error. Types of error based on surface strategy taxonomy. The first is omission. The researcher found 13 types of omission error from 5 students' composition, 6 omission error in composition writing about a day in my life, 4 omission error in composition writing about my family, and 3 omission error in composition writing about my college history. And the second is addition. The researcher found 9 times of addition error from 5 students' composition. And the next is misformation. The researcher found 16 times of misformation error from 5 students' composition writing. And the next is misordering. The researcher found 6 times of misordering error from 5 student composition. And the last, me found 4 times of blind error from 5 student composition writing. So after collecting and analyzing the data, the authors found 83 errors made by the students in composition writing. The omission error was put there after with 23 cases, the addition error with 13 cases, misformation error with 28 cases, misordering errors 11 cases, and blind error with 8 cases. So the frequency of errors. In calculating the number and frequency of errors, the teacher employed the statistical calculation by Walliser and Wiener, as achieved in Aziz et al. 2020 as follows. P F per N X 100%, where P is the percentage of errors, F is the frequency of errors, and N is the total number of samples. So this is the result of my research and analyzing students' composition writing. Omission, total of errors is 13, percentage 27%, addition 9 errors, misformation 16 error, misordering 6 errors, blanks 4 error. And the total is 48 errors. And my data from this research is actual, which is 99 and 99%. So the last one from this chapter is the factors happen in students' composition error. The factors of students' error in composition writing because they are unaware of the grammatical rules that are in place. And after I analyzed students' composition writing, I got that the whole students make mistake in formation. That means the factor that cause errors in student essays are lack of understanding of tenses and structure of a sentence or morpheme. And the last one is conclusion. This research focused on the type of errors and its frequency of the second year student college. This research employed qualitative research method, taking the data from the students' document of composition writing, the theory of survey structure taxonomy by Deloy, Bird, and Question, and Carl James categories error into 5, namely addition, omission, misformation, misordering, and blend. And according to the data finding, 16 out of 48 cases belong to misformation errors as the most frequently occur or error committed by the students' college. Moreover, there are 13 omission error with the most omission as an ES 3 third person singular case. There are 9 cases of addition error with the most addition as an ES in singular noun. There are 6 misordering cases with the most misordering of adjective phrase. And lastly, there are 4 blending cases, which is the lowest error category that I found in that composition writing. So the data findings show that the second year of student college committed many errors in misformation. So guys, that's the end from my presentation of my mini research study of error analysis. Thank you for your watching. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, everyone.